This how to 1 minute will show you how to install plugins in WordPress. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to install and activate any plugin. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and scroll down to this left-hand menu and hover over on plugins and click on add new. If you have already downloaded a plugin and now you want to upload the plugin here, then click on upload plugin, click on choose file, and now select here the downloaded plugin zip file and click on open. Once it's added, click on install now. It may take some time to upload the plugin here. Once the plugin uploaded, now click on activate plugin and the plugin will be activated and you will get here all of your installed and activated plugins. Now let's see how you can install and activate a plugin from this WordPress dashboard. Again, hover over on plugins and click on add new. Now click on this search plugins box and all you have to need, just type the plugin name that you want to install. And here you have to find out the exact plugin and click on install now and click on activate. And this is how we can install a plugin in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.